Hey guys, so I just wanted to share with you the really good experience that I had with FabFitFun customer service. First of all, I realized like in the middle of the night that I hadn't gotten to make my selections for the fall box. I guess I didn't realize when the window was. I didn't really get, I don't know if you're supposed to get an email about it, but I didn't get an email about it. So I missed the window, and I sent a message to them, and it was in the middle of the night. It was like really late at night, and they still were able to do like chat with me. So I was able to immediately get help, and they the woman that I chatted with in their online chat, she told me that I could select 4 items just of my choice from the options for that month. I believe that there was like 6 different choices that you could make, so it was at least 6 items in the box. So I did get like 6 sort of surprise items, which I already unboxed, and then they also let me separately choose just 4 items because I hadn't been able to make my selections. So I just wanted to share the 4 items that I got. The first item is this vegetable chopper, and this one I think I saw this that this was one of the options, and it looked really cool. I haven't ever tried something like this before, and it looks like it could be really useful to have in the kitchen. So you basically put vegetables inside of it. So you put vegetables inside there, and then you pull this string, and that causes this thing to spin and chop up the vegetables. And supposedly, just the more you pull the string, the smaller the vegetables get chopped up. So that looked like just kind of a nice, useful little gadget to have in the kitchen. So that was that item. And then this is an item I actually ended up also getting in my box. So I actually have 2 of these now. I might give this one away, or I might just set it aside. And when my current one starts to get a little beat up, I might just replace it with this one, because I know that, it's a good idea to change out your non-stick pans every once in a while. So it's just the same pan as my other video, as in my FabFitFun unboxing video. Same really super cute pan with this awesome handle. It's just a very fashionable, pretty pan. And the 2 other items, one of the items is these sunglasses. So they come in this really nice, pretty pouch, really soft little pouch. And they feel really nice. They feel more substantial than just your typical cheap sunglasses. They're really cute. And they just have a nice heft to them. They feel really nice. So I can't wait to try those out. And the last item I chose is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And I have not tried anything by Glow Recipe before. Let me know if you guys have. I know that they're just so popular now, and their little bottles are just so pretty. Like, all their packaging is just so pretty. It just looks so luxurious. And this is like a nice glass bottle. Looks like it's 2 ounces, so it's a pretty good amount of product there. I'll definitely have to try this one out and do a little review. It looks really nice so far. I know that I really love putting on moisturizing lotion at night before bed. It just is really good, and you wake up in the morning and your skin is just nice and refreshed and moisturized. So I definitely look forward to trying that one out. So that was my little FabFitFun haul that I received because I missed the window to make your choices. So I would say that you can subscribe with confidence to FabFitFun, because if there is any sort of issue, they will more than make it right. And I just really was impressed by the availability of their customer service and how quickly they were able to respond and how quickly they worked with me. So I do recommend FabFitFun, and I will put their information down in the info box, as well as the link to my just regular fall unboxing video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.